boys? Sekapoko here. We're going to be doing a speed Zephyr team. Just so everybody knows what my sockets are, I got level 1 bind, level 1 slot rate, neither of which do you need for this speed team. Got maxed out, what's his name? Giltasoro, maxed out Squard, and 13 turn Usopp. So he's almost maxed, he's just 1 turn off, but he only needs to be at 14 turns for it to matter. Alright, it's going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to start the run at... This looks like it'll be 45 seconds. And we'll start 2 minutes, 42 seconds, or 45. Go. And there you have it, guys. 1 minute, 30 seconds, Zephyr run. I'm Sekapoko, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.